What's good? It's your boy Choco.
And your girl Galaxy, and we are CHOC and Galaxy. What are we doing today?
Today we are doing loveliveserve, types of aux chord users part 4.
Yes, and if you're wondering where we have been, we were on a trip and we're back, very tired, but still doing this for you guys. All right, let's get into it.
I like loveliveserve, and their videos are actually kind of dope. So let's get it.
What's goody? It's your boy Rhino, aka whoever threw that, your mom's a hoe. And you guys are watching loveliveserve. If it's your first time on the channel, what's up? I mean, it is part 4 of the series, so like you should probably kind of know. But nonetheless, welcome to loveliveserve. We are dedicated to bringing you guys high quality,
part 2 is their best
quirky
one.
skits multiple times a week. So thanks for joining us. Subscribe if you know. Like I said, this is part 4 of the types of aux chord users series. Let me know if you guys can relate to any of these in the comment section below, and let us know, like, is this one your favorite? Was the first the best one? The second? Let us know in the comments. Let's get straight into it. Types of aux chord users part 4.
It's like you read his mind.
The guy who's mad at his girlfriend.
Okay, well, why are you texting? Why were you texting him?
It's literally my cousin. It's literally my cousin.
Why does your cousin look like Channing Tatum?
This is my
That's
life.
my thing.
That's not my fault.
You
I don't know what the hell you want me to tell you.
You didn't want to tell me he was that handsome.
You have issues.
I don't know why you
Issues.
You know what? Just give me the aux chord, please. Thank you. Tired of hearing this.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
What?
What is that supposed to mean?
That's my song I'm playing.
Fuck that bitch. Are you saying fuck me now? Like screw me?
No,
like, you
this
don't
is
care
just
about me?
this is like on my playlist right now. So
Whoa, give me fucking ear damage, bro.
Hurricanes Old Navy and your entire purchase at 50% off when you use or open an Old Navy.
His face, bro. It's blend.
Buy online and pick up in store today. That's 40% off your
Car videos are honestly so
This
great.
is me on SoundCloud.
Sorry, that was the ad.
Put the fucking music on. The person who listens to gay hip hop.
Here you go. Oh, sweet. Thank you. Here you go. What you got for me? Get ready.
Whoa, my ear actually hurts from that fucking scream. Like, I feel the pain.
Try to express the laughter.
Timothy.
All right, Timothy, it's about that time, man.
Huh? What?
The aux. You got some?
Why I always gotta play music? Why can't we just drive and be quiet?
Dude, it's the aux chord video. Just put it just...
Fine. Laugh time.
Okay, put something on.
Nigga watch, they plot, that why they wearing it. Pussy niggas be McFadden, like Darren. Niggas talk about
The thirsty guy who plays the one song he knows the white girls in the car are going to like.
Alright, motherfucker, this aux real quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put on like one of my favorite songs that I've been listening to right now.
Why
One of my
did you
favorite
bet?
songs. Just playing that.
That's you, social.
Oh my god! I love this.
Oh, y'all know this song?
Listen to this?
Yeah,
Did they already do this?
You listen?
I love this song.
Oh yeah, that's kind of good. I mean, I guess it's kind of like my favorite song right now. Oh my god.
I hate Rhino, bro. I hate him.
Hey, you could like hold this. Yeah, you get it. Like turn it a little bit, then yeah, bend you could here, like a little high up.
Just try to like pop it up on just be like pop it up like
The person who turns down the music at the best part.
hey, she got me in my feelings. Hey, gotta be real.
What is he doing in the back? What's this?
So where are we going again?
What are you doing?
Where are we going?
Why would you pause the song there?
No, I hate this. I hate this type of video.
Pause it right there. You just had to turn it down. You have to turn it off.
yeah.
Wait, did you turn off your straightener, Cheyenne?
Oh,
Again? You're gonna do this again? I don't want the house to burn down.
Why would you?
You always be leaving it on, trying to make sure our whole house
That's
is
how
fine,
bitches
but
get slapped.
Just that occasion, right?
The person who doesn't even know what an aux chord is.
All right, Mom. You're up next.
Up next for what?
Wait.
The aux. Give me the aux.
What's an aux? This is an aux?
Aux chord, yeah, for your music.
What do I do with this?
Plug your phone into it, and you can pick. You have iTunes or like Apple Music.
I have Apple Music.
So you plug it in.
I'm fucking weak.
Then you just start playing your stuff.
Oh, no, back. Your library. Artists.
There you go.
Okay, here we playing
Who do you want to play? Best favorite artist right now?
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi. All right. The person who thinks they can sing just as good as the artist.
That's me.
That's like me, bro. And I'm terrible at singing. Like, just know I'm very aware of that.
I'm okay.
Yo, chill. What? You can't sing? Yes, I can. Dude, please.
I did a voice crack.
One more song. Dude, I literally was just warming up. The person who's using their GPS.
Man, I'm on a mission, I'm getting up on my grind.
This is me, bro. I get so irritated with myself.
Fifth exit. Keep left.
I don't wanna see me shine, but I'm steady fighting, putting
Take the second exit.
everything on the line. Destination close on my
Continue straight.
Can you change that? Like, is it...
Turn left.
Okay. Can you, like,
Here.
not have it say...
I'll turn it down.
In 0.6 miles, take the fourth exit. In 1
Yo,
kilometer,
Rhino's face is gonna have me.
in 200
good
meters,
turtle.
turn left.
What are you
Turn
using?
right. Continue straight. In 1/4 of a mile, turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left.
Where does it have it
No, he looks like those
Keep
little
right.
turtles
Where are
in
we
Mario.
Turn left.
Again.
Alright, Timothy, one more before the video ends. Just one more song, man.
Alright, last song.
This should be good.
Hey, you say have enough. Now whatever, I come get a few of them. She born in that I can do it up. I really wish it was a few of us. It's all the bitches that they valid. Because the niggas that they valid. Ain't gonna say it won't happen. So me going broke as they valid.
Alright, you guys made it.
This is just me and Stupidity kind of weak this episode.
Sorry about that. First things first, we want to give our shout out to the Surf Squad member of the day. So shout out to... Thank you so much for watching the videos. And if you guys want to be the next Surf Squad member of the day, all you have to do is follow Rhino and I on Instagram, post a picture using the hashtag Surf Squad, and tag both of us. Easy as that. We're going to start doing these more, so if you guys want to get a shout out, just go follow us on Instagram and tag us. New videos coming soon. We'll catch you on the next one. Alright, peace.
No, that video's kind of dope, you know, like there's a bit of criticism from me, but overall, I enjoyed the video. It was really good, and I think like it's dope that they continue to be creative with this idea. Like, I like seeing new stuff, and I do feel like they're creating good content. So, yeah, I like it.
Yeah, hey, loveliveserve, you know, from the start, when I first saw them, I knew that it was going to be an interesting channel and someone to really keep an eye out for. Like, you know, they know how to keep their skits really like well scripted and very interesting.
It's like short to the point. Like, I don't know, I don't like people who drag stuff out for too long. So this is like, it's perfect.
But yeah, alright, we gonna watch more loveliveserve for y'all.
Yeah, and let us know if you guys liked videos like this, if you guys want to see more of this. And like always, check out our main channels, CHOC, Galaxy Girl, and like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what we should react to next. Bye.
Peace.
Pretty little girl, pretty little girlfriend, pretty little girl, pretty little girlfriend, pretty little girl, pretty little girlfriend, girlfriend. I could